Hello Monday, it's a fun day. I'm trying to make a thumbnail. It's not working, so let's get to the video. Hey guys, it's Tommy the Happy Whisk, and I am making a video on baker stuff and all the fun stuff that I got. But I don't want to repeat all that because it's coming up in the video. Because I could just easily talk about it all over again because I can yap. I am a yapper. Yapper, 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 yapper. Onto the video. Hello Monday, so nice to see you guys again. It's Ivy and I have a little bit of a mess going on here. So I'm going to just show you some of the ingredients that I got today and yesterday. And I can't talk today. I want to start with this. So they're not organic. They're vanilla beans that I got on Amazon. I believe I had a $2 coupon. I think they were $7 for $17. I wish they were $7. I would have gotten 4 more packages, but they were $17, I think. And I cannot wait to crack them open. I want to make vanilla paste, probably extracts and vanilla powder, but vanilla paste is the one thing I want to make right away. And a little quick shout out to my good friend Rain, Zombie Brew. This is some cold brew coffee. It is delicious. Another thing I picked up, now this one I picked up today. The vanilla came in the mail. Look at those. These are grapes. They are cotton candy grapes. Wait, look at cotton candy grapes. No kidding. They taste like cotton candy. I got these at Aldi. These are not as strong as a cotton candy grape as I've had before. And they were $4 a pound, which is kind of like, to me, very high, but I got an idea, so I want to play with them, so I got 2 of those. Also from Aldi today, I got these. I don't know if anyone's tried these. We don't mind them. They take a little bit of learning on how to cook them and stuff, but they're brown rice and quinoa. They go great in the Instapot if it's on 0 minutes. Anything other than that, it just kind of turns it to mush, or really nice in some boiling water. I love these. It used to be $3, now they're $3.19. I still went ahead and bought 4 packages, even though I said I wasn't gonna when they increased the price, but I like them. Yesterday, I picked up more of these. I really love these, and so does Tim. So these are the semi-sweet organic chocolate chips, and they go great in ice cream. They go great in bakes. Really, really fun. Now these are Enjoy Life. These are crazy expensive, but they're little itty bitty minis, and they don't have any dairy. I can't have dairy, so that's part of it, right? So there you go. These are not bad. I haven't had them in a really, really, really long time. I don't think I like them eating them plain. Where I'll eat these plain, I think I have to have these in something. If I remember correctly, we're going to try these in ice cream. We'll do a comparison of that. Now, here's what else I got. Look at that. Organic millet. This is a seed, or known as a pseudo grain. I love millet. I stick it in rice. I mix it with rice and quinoa and millet by itself or with something. It's just fantastic. And the one I picked up this time was Anthony's Organic Hulled Millet. Really, really like it. I also like the one I get at the co-op, but I like Anthony's as well. I also got more chia seeds. So these are the white chia seeds, even though they're labeled as white. These are they organic? I don't even know. Yeah, they are. They are organic, but they're white-ish, but they go great in like a pudding. When I ground these into my own flour and then I put them in a pudding, they hide better than like the dark black ones, which are a little harder for me to hide. The better I can hide something like this, the more pleasing it is to the eye and the more inviting to get people to eat it who might not normally want something like chia. The problem with chia seeds I find in the stores is I've gotten the ones at Aldi's before and they were rancid. So I'm not too happy about this. I've gotten these now several times off of this company. I don't know how to pronounce that name. And they've never been rancid so far. Knock on a skeleton skull that it continues. What else did I want to show you? Okay. Like one of the, like this and the vanilla. Okay, so excited about. These are pumpkin seeds that are from the US, and I'm really crazy excited about it. I thought that they were expensive, but I want to use them. My hands are clean. I want to use them in a homemade granola and all kinds of stuff. I cannot wait to play. So far, I've been eating them raw, and if I don't watch it, I'm gonna have to order another bag. Another thing I picked up this morning when I was out is organic coconut flour and organic coconut milk. I've got a head-to-head experiment coming up with this, so stay tuned for that. I'm not sure when it will be, but I'm probably going to try it this weekend because I can't wait. I love to experiment and play. And I'm looking around. Was there anything else I wanted to show you guys? I think this. All right, I bake a lot. I don't have any dairy in any of my baking. Oops. Any of my baking, there's no dairy. So this is the peanut butter that's at Aldi's. It's also at other stores. It's made in Canada. It's not bad. We add sweetener to it, like we'll add honey to it or maple to it. I'll take it out. But what I want to show you guys is it's got that oil on the top, so I store it like this. So like this on the pantry until we're ready to use it. That's what we do. I'd rather have my own homemade peanut butter, and I'm going to be making that very soon. And I'll be making that with this big honkin' bag of peanuts that I got for $5. I love to shuck. I know it's not called shuck. It's called shelling, I guess. We call it shucking. I love to shuck peanuts and watch baking shows or reno shows. I just love it. I find it relaxing. I enjoy doing it. And I make Baker's peanut butter, which is different than this peanut butter. I think. I'm trying to look. Is there anything else? Oh, yeah. Wait, one more thing I want to show you. Let me just put that right there. All right, so sales. Boom, boom, and wait for it. Boom. More experimenting. I've been experimenting with this stuff for a little while now, and I love it. So I used to get this all the time back in the day, and just recently, since the price went down to $150, I started playing with this. So I got all 3 of them. Price came up wrong at the register, so I told her about it, and she fixed it. $1.50 for each one. Cannot be happier. So my 2 favorites, though, I'm going to say the vanilla beans and the pumpkin seeds. And then I can't wait for Tim to have these. Like I said, these are not, I don't know if I said it yet. These are Aldi's, $4 a pound. Kind of expensive, I thought, but they don't have quite as strong as a cotton candy flavor as I've tasted before, but they're still good. I'm still going to play. I get all this ingredients. These are my bakers / mad scientist stuff I'm going to make coming up. And that's it for now. Happy Monday. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you next week. Whisk out.